The other problem is, if you have a company like Nvidia, where your stock price is almost entirely based on the fact that these big companies buy hundreds of thousands of incredibly expensive GPUs because that's what's required to get the best performance, and then someone comes along and gets the best performance with essentially consumer hardware, that is also not a good look. Right? Now, it might be that those companies that have loads of GPUs still have an advantage for a while, but it's a leveler. Right? Over time, people can do stuff with more limited hardware. And I think that's a great thing because we have access here to dozens of GPUs, and they're decent, right? And they're expensive, but they're not anywhere near in the same league as some of these companies. And so we essentially cannot try those things. So we do other things. Right? But now we can. So I think it's gonna level the playing field a lot very, very quickly. And I think that once something like this starts, lots of other companies will come up with new models, will come up with new efficiency savings, and it will just, that will increase more. We could be seeing the end of kind of closed source AI because it may just not be viable. That if you just keep adding more and more data, or bigger and bigger models, or a combination of both, ultimately you will move beyond just recognizing cats and you'll be able to do anything. Right, that's the idea. You show enough cats and dogs and eventually the elephant just is implied.